Hello friends. Imagine a special mountain that helps us understand what makes people happy and healthy. It's called Maslow's Hierarchy of Needs, and today we're about to embark on a delightful journey through its captivating world. Put on your imaginary explorer's hat and get ready to dive into this enchanting adventure. Long ago, a brilliant wizard named Abraham Maslow had a fascinating idea. He wanted to know what people truly need to feel wonderful and be their best selves. Imagine him pondering, just like we do when we wonder about our favorite toys. He drew a magical mountain with 5 colorful layers, each holding a different set of needs, like building blocks for a happy life. Picture the bottom of the mountain like a strong base for a sandcastle. It's crucial. This is where we find the most essential things, like yummy food, cozy beds, and loving hugs. These are our basic needs, just like how we need sunshine and water for our plants to grow. Just as we enjoy our favorite treats, grown-ups have their own favorites that keep them strong and healthy. Imagine a cozy pillow fort in the middle of the mountain. That's our next stop. This part is all about feeling safe and secure, just like when we snuggle on our blankets. Grown-ups have homes, jobs, and even superhero helpers to keep them safe. It's like having a guardian angel to watch over us. Just like how we have special toys for comfort, they also need to feel snug and protected. Now let's climb higher to a layer filled with the colors of friendship and love. Imagine this part of the mountain covered in beautiful flowers, each one representing a special person who cares about us. Just like we have friends to play with and family to share stories, grown-ups need friends and family too. It's like a big warm group hug. Climbing higher, we enter a land where everyone feels incredibly good about themselves. Imagine a crown made of shiny stars. That's how grown-ups feel when they're proud of who they are. This part is all about being confident and respected, just like when we show off our drawings and everyone claps. Grown-ups have talents and strengths too, and they love to share them with the world. At the very top of the magical mountain, there's a treasure chest glowing with dreams come true. This is where grown-ups do things that make them super happy, like when we learn new things or dance with all our heart. Grown-ups have big dreams just like us. They want to become amazing artists, brave explorers, or even heroes who help others. People use Maslow's magical mountain to understand what they need to be joyful and fulfilled. It's like having a special map that guides them to happiness. If they ever feel sad or worried, they can look at the map to see what's missing. Maybe they need a warm hug or a new adventure to feel better. It's like a magical compass that helps them find their smiles again. Abraham Maslow, the wise wizard, created this magical mountain to help people have wonderful lives full of happiness. Just like how we love thinking about our favorite games and stories, he thought deeply about how grown-ups' hearts and minds work. He wanted to make their lives even better by understanding their needs and dreams. As time goes by, people keep using this magical mountain to understand themselves better. They're making new maps too. Just like how we discover new games and stories, grown-ups are finding new ways to climb the mountain and find even more happiness. It's like an ongoing adventure to be the best they can be and explore their inner world. There you have it, my friends. We've traveled through Maslow's magical mountain, discovering its layers and hidden treasures. Remember, just as we explore new places and learn exciting things, grown-ups are always exploring their needs to stay happy and healthy. The next time you see a mountain, think about the magical one that helps us all understand ourselves a little bit better. Keep exploring, keep smiling, and keep being the fantastic, curious adventurer you are. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad. Thanks for watching.